Hi everyone, Greg Curran over here at Genesis of Laguna, Niguel, and today we're going to be looking at the toggle switch on the infotainment center for the Genesis GV70. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use the toggle feature for your infotainment center. I'm going to go ahead and use my left hand so you can see, but basically it's designed so that your right hand can go ahead and move this around and navigate through the infotainment cluster here while you're driving and still have one hand on the wheel. But today, like I said, I'm going to show you how to do it with your left hand. So this toggle here, you can actually go left, you can go right, you can go up, you can go down, you can even write on this like it's a little stylus, okay? So if I want to say, you know, your local favorite coffee stop or whatever, you know, you go ahead and write in the name of it, and you can put that in your navigation there and it'll go ahead and take you to it. You can also go ahead and scroll through by twisting this to the left or to the right. Okay, so you're at your navigation screen. Go ahead and press the home button right here in the center, and that's going to go ahead and take you to your infotainment menu. Now you can see there's 3 pages here that you can select from. If you press the knob to the right, that'll take you to the next page and to the final page. Okay. Now, say you want to go one by one individually through all the different selections you have, you just go ahead and turn the knob, and you can go one by one. So let's go ahead and show you my favorite feature, which is the navigation menu. So now we go to destination. We keep pressing down on this. That's like your enter button on a keyboard. And we do search. Now, don't judge me based off of my writing, but I'm going to show you how to write with your hand, okay? So let's say we're going to a gas station. We're just going to go ahead and write in G, A, and then you got S. Now say you want to go ahead, oops, I made a mistake. It looks like a 1. They didn't read my writing right? Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the features here. What says delete, we can do one swipe, and that deletes one letter, as you can see up here. Or if you want to clear the whole thing, you just do 2 fingers, and it'll swipe and clear the whole thing. Now say you want to go ahead and put a space, you do 2 fingers, and that'll actually create a space for you. Hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share this video, help us to make more content for you. And give us some ideas as to what it is that you want. Comment below. We'll see you real soon.